accidents. Accidents happen because of our carelessness and the carelessness of others around us. We should take steps to prevent accidents in the home, in school, and on the playground. We should follow the traffic rules to avoid accidents on the road. We should not panic in case of any accident. We should stay calm. It will help us to decide what steps are to be taken in case of an accident. It is very important that any injured person gets first aid immediately. This can save his or her life. First aid box. Now let us prepare our own first aid box. Take a cardboard box. You can use an old shoebox. Cover the inside as well as the outside with white paper. Paint a green square with a white cross. Write First Aid on the box. Inside the box, put a roll of cotton wool, an antiseptic cream, band-aid, crepe bandage, crocin tablets, a pair of scissors, a cream or a spray used to relieve pain in case of sprains, example, Iodex or Move. We must always remember that medicines should be discarded when they are past their expiry dates.